Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning. We're doing some reconditioning. We're working on the Infinity QX80, and so far we've worked on the quarter panel, we worked on the door, we've got the seat belt and retractor replaced. It's time to replace the seat. The airbag blew out of the side of it, and we need to get the airbag light on the dash to go away and disappear for final inspection before making this legal and roadworthy. Also, the driver's side upper curtain here, airbag curtain that runs the length of the roof, needs to be replaced. We'll do that last. We'll do that in the next video. So let's get this thing moved forward, back, remove the bolts, get it out of there, and get the new one in. Keep the power to the battery so we can slide the seat forward to expose the bolts. We won't be able to get to the plugs until we can sort of tilt the seat back and see what we're looking at here. What I like to do is go to the seat that we're going to insert into the vehicle. So we have those two bolts there. We have these two bolts back here. And then if we tilt it back, we're going to see 1, 2, 3 plugs underneath once we tilt it back and we get access to them. And then the seat will pull right out. Once we have the seat forward and backward that we can get these bolts out, then we can undo the negative cable to the battery and then unplug these. So let's get back over and start pulling up some plastic trim pieces to reveal the bolts. There, here, and across the other side. We need to pop these up out of the way. There's one. Got to be a little careful with them because we're going to reuse them on the other seat. Two bolts right here. These are going to be very tight, no doubt, as they should be. So I'm going to at least break them loose. Ooh. And we'll switch over to the bower to do the rest of the work. One, two, let's move to the front. Slide the seat back. These are a little harder to get access to and also light. There you go. Once you get them started, a little easier. This one actually just has a flap. You just pull it up like that. Let's get the other side. Luckily, these bolts here are pitched towards the dash a little bit, so it makes it a little bit easier to get to them. Okay, now we'll slide the seat back all the way and then tilt this seat back so we can get to the wire harnesses. Then we'll disconnect the battery. Just do that now. I'm hoping that this here seat is already back on its track, so it would be like we're just reversing everything that we did to this seat, but we'll see. All right, with this one and this one removed, we just have this one more, this last one, and there we go. And I'm sure it's going to be attached by a plastic clip in here somewhere. There we go. That one right there. It'll snap right back in again. Now the seat is ready to come out. And the fun part will be getting it out here safely without scuffing the door or anything. Let's raise the steering wheel. Oh, shoot. I gotta hook up the battery and move the steering wheel. Let's move the steering wheel in, telescope all the way in, all the way up, or maybe all the way down? No, that's not going to help, is it? We'll see. Now we'll disconnect the battery again. Make sure nothing is attached. Get the empty can out of the way. No. Oh yeah? Well, why don't you come over and help do this then? Having two people would probably, you get the front, I'll get the back. How's that sound? Okay? All right. Get back, I don't want to hurt you with this heavy thing. My light's in the way, everything's in the way. Tilt this back and get the headrest off of here. Then I can maneuver it a little easier. Now, okay, should come out like that. Easy does it. And then down. That out of the way. Now we can clean some of the stuff that's a little hard to get to. That's a bit better. Now we can bring the other one in, set it up. Okay. These two go up front. We can get these started back here, but we're going to have to move up front, get those in, and then power up the seat and move it front and back. We have all of the cables, 1, 2, 3 cables underneath there plugged in. So hopefully it moves. Torque them down. All right, now we can hook up the battery once again. Let's see if this seat moves. Yes. Nice. Now we can tighten these down, put the trim back on. Now, I think that goes on like this. Something like that. Yes, no, maybe. There's that. All right, got that one. Let's put this one on. That's on. Trim on the front and we're done. One. And two. Just one more thing to do. Move this. Insert the headrest. Finally, because it's been manhandled now, getting it in and around the shop, in the vehicle, going to clean the leather once again. Use the Ninja scrubber. Get all of our fingerprints and any shop dirt from sitting since we cleaned it initially. Always easier to clean the seat when it's out of the vehicle. That made the initial clean really easy. But just sitting in the shop for only one day with all the paint correction and body work and spraying and painting that goes on in here, it gets dirty really fast. So we clean it back up again. Look at that. All cleaned. It's finished like it never even happened in the first place. Matches perfectly. Job complete. All right, guys, we'll get rid of the seat. Shop manager's ready to go. That's going to do it for today's video. We still have to run the curtain airbag down the whole length of the vehicle yet. So we'll make that a video of its own as well. Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning. I'll catch you in the next video.